This is a tutorial for taking a video case assignment inside of a Criminal Justice MindTap. After you have launched the video case assignment, the play button for the video on the left-hand side is right in the center or in the bottom left. If you click on either, the video will play. Note there is closed captioning function in the bottom right of the video. There's also a transcript to the right of that, and to the right of that is an option to go full screen. Then if you want to exit full screen, you can either hit the escape key on your keyboard or click the exit full screen button in the bottom right. Note while you're in full screen, you can click this double arrow on the right hand side, and that will bring up the questions for the video case should you want to stay in this full screen while viewing those, even answering them if you should so want. In this case, I'm going to exit full screen though. While the video is playing, at any point you can stop and answer the questions, or you can wait for the full video to play. Regardless, after you've answered all of the questions, click Submit Answer. However, there is one additional thing that you'll need to do, and that is to let the video play to the very end, or click the Skip Cue Point button right here. That will bring up one additional button that you will need to click, which is Submit for Grading, this blue button right here. Once you click that, the take is submitted to your instructor for automatic grading. You'll note the score that you got right on the assignment, and if you relaunch the assignment at any time, you can click the Review button to see what you got right, what you got wrong, and some additional feedback below the video.